Hi guys, Happy New Year. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a pretty big haul. I basically got a lot of stuff over the Christmas and New Year, and so I just kind of want to show you guys everything I got. It's mostly going to be Coach, but I do have some other stuff that I got in here recently too. So yeah, if you guys like designer stuff, if you guys like luxury unboxings, I buy a lot of that stuff and I like to share it on my channel and unbox it. So if you guys like that, please feel free to like and subscribe. I'm just gonna go right into it. I have quite a few things that I got, so this is kind of a Christmas slash Happy New Year haul. So the first thing I want to show you guys is this Saint Laurent item that I purchased. This is from the Essence men's haul. So this is what the box looks like, and take that off, get the dust bag, and then the little Saint Laurent card thing. Here's a dust bag, pretty nice. I've never actually bought anything from Saint Laurent before, so I'm pretty happy that I bought this. But here it is. So I got the Rive, I think this is pronounced Rive Gauche, Saint Laurent pouch. So it has this very nice like strap. Basically it's like a clutch, so you put like your wallet and your keys and whatever, and a bunch of like random shit that you carry around. You can put all that in here. There's a little pocket right there, but otherwise it's just a big pouch. The material, I believe, it said canvas on the website. It's not like the type of canvas that you'd get on like a Louis Vuitton item or something, but it's like this kind of like soft material. I don't really know how to describe it, but I really like it. I've been using it a bit. So yeah, I'm really glad I got this. It was on sale for 200 and like 25-ish, I think. The regular price was like $4.95, so I got it like almost half off. But yeah, this is the first item. I really like it. So yeah, let me put that aside. The next thing that I got was a pair of Suicoke sandals. I don't know if you are aware, but this is a Japanese like footwear brand, and they have some kind of trendy shoes and stuff that people have been buying, so I wanted to buy them. These are also from the Essence sale, but basically this is what they look like. They have like a double strap on each side, and then they have like these like other details like up here too, and then on the inside they have this like faux shirling, and they're really comfortable. I really like how they look. They're kind of trendy. I believe the price was around $100 or so, give or take, maybe 120. I think the regular price is over 200 for these, but yeah, I'm really happy with these. I just wanted something that I could wear anywhere, just lounge around, but was also not like a Birkenstock, so that's why I got these. But I really like them. I love everything Japanese, and these are phenomenal quality. So yeah, those are the sandals that I got. Alright, now the rest of the stuff is going to be Coach. So this next item I actually got today. This is from the Coach outlet. This nice little sticker. I'm gonna take that off. Boom. And then there's a nice little dust bag. But this is a Coach belt. This is like a kind of like snakeskin print or something like that. It's obviously not real snakeskin. It just has like that kind of look of it. Just a regular buckle. I wanted to get something that I could wear to work that wasn't really flashy but wasn't like super basic, so that is why I got this. So yeah, I'm excited to wear that every day. I already have a like Coach C belt that I got from like the regular Coach retail store, and that's a little bit too expensive of a belt that I don't want to wear that to work, so yeah. And then I'm gonna show a few charms that I got from Coach. So these are from the outlet. These are lock and key. So there's a black one, and then basically the key just pops out like that, and then boom. So I was thinking of taking these and then attaching them together and then like having them dangle on a bag side by side like that. I thought that was a cool idea. I don't really know what I'm going to do with them. I got 2 of them. They were really cheap. So yeah, they were on clearance, I think, for like 20 bucks each. So I was like, yeah, I'll take them. But focus. Sorry, my exposure for this camera is not the best, but yeah, you get the idea. So I might attach them to like my keychain or something, who knows. And then I did get one more charm. It is like a little gold bear. Just kind of cute little gold bear. That's it. So yeah, those are the 3 charms that I got. Now I'm going to move on to some shoes that I got. So these ones I got maybe a couple weeks ago. These are brand new at the outlet, and they're really similar to the retail ones, so that's why I got them. But they are white and gray, and they have a very cool like clear sole right there, and then on the back more Coach logo. Other side is just plain. Then you have the insole that says Coach, and then you can see I've worn these already. You got more branding and more branding. So I think this in total has, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 logos on it, which is a little bit too much, but I still like how the shoe looks. I just kind of noticed like, wow, there's a ton of logos on here. But yeah, that's what both shoes look like. They're literally the same on both sides. So yeah, those ones are cool. And I believe the price for these was around $100, give or take tax, give or take, you know, if there's special discounts when you're buying it and stuff. The Coach outlet isn't always like, you're always getting the same thing every time. There's always like random extra. If you spend like $150, you get like 20% extra off or whatever. So yeah, but these are around $100, $109, give or take. Alright, and the last pair of shoes that I am going to show you guys is another pair that I just got today. These ones are brand new from the outlet, and the color is really sick. I don't have any shoes like this, so I hope you guys like these ones. Alright, so look at those shoes. So they're like an all over like maroon color, I guess you could say. And then they have a nice kind of glittery, They have a nice little glittery like logo right here. And then what I really like is the heel and the back has this like velvet material and it's red, and then it says Coach in black. I just think that looks really cool. And then you have this like red stripe along the heel, and then another Coach logo down here. The other side is pretty plain, and then the bottom is the same as the other shoe, the horse and carriage, and then the Coach name on the bottom. But yeah, I think these are sick. Their new shoes that they've been coming out with are so much more comfortable than the old shoes that they were making. Those like all over canvas shoes, like the other pair that I have unboxed on my channel. Those ones, like, and all the styles like that they had for like the past couple years, they're so uncomfortable, honestly. Like, they like really hurt your feet. The canvas is so restrictive, and these new shoes that they're coming out with are so much like lighter, and they're so much less constrictive. Like, they really have got like the new style down with these, and they just look so sleek. So yeah, I'm really happy that I got them. Alright, now just to show you, both of them match the same. So yeah, that is gonna wrap up everything. I hope you guys enjoyed. I did get a few more things, but they were too small for me to include in the video. They were basically just some socks that I got on Essence. But yeah, that's basically most of the stuff that I've got the past few months, and I just wanted to make an all-encompassing video to just put it out there so I can be like, okay, I don't want to make like an individual video for all these items, so I just put it all in one. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching if you made it this far. I'm a really small channel. I just like to post and upload videos like this because I buy this stuff, and I'm like, I might as well put a video online and unbox it, so I don't put too much effort into these. So yeah, give me a like. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to put them down in the comment section, and I will try and get back to you guys. So thank you very much. Have a great new year, and let's make it a good one. So stay positive, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.